everyone, my name is Barbara. You can call me the girl who trades. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining the different Forex sessions we have and how you as a trader can capitalize on those sessions to make the best of your trades. If you've not watched my previous videos in this series, please go back. The links are in my description. Please watch those videos. It'll make this one make a lot more sense to you. Thank you. I'm not going to talk too much. Let's go straight to the chart and I'll explain today's video more. Hey guys, welcome to the chart. Now what I said we're discussing today is the Forex trading sessions. Now although the Forex market is open 24 hours in a day, it's not active all 24 hours. So it's imperative that you as a trader know which time to enter the market and exit to make the most of the market movement. Now, when the market is trading upwards, you can make money. If it's trading downwards, you can make money. But if the market is not moving, you cannot make any money. So that's why it's important to know the different trading sessions. Now, there are four major sessions in the Forex market. There's the London session, the New York session, Tokyo, and Sydney. Now, Tokyo and Sydney comprise the Asian session. London session is open between 7 a.m. and 4 p.m. GMT. I'm in Ghana, so I'm using Ghana time. So 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. New York is open at 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. Sydney is open from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. and Tokyo is typically open from 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. Now, there are times when the sessions overlap, and these are the times of the most volume on the market. So during these times, you have a lot of market movement, and you as a trader can capitalize on these times to enter your trades because you will have the trade move quickly. Now, you know that feeling when you enter a trade and the trade takes a very long time and it doesn't ever move in your direction. It's just hovering, slight loss, slight profit around your entry. And when it does that for a period, you lose your confidence as a trader in the trade, and sometimes you are even tempted to close the trade. But when a particular session opens, as soon as the session opens, the trade moves boom in your direction, and you may have even exited and you'd have lost out on that trade. This is where it is important to know the timings of the market to enter at the critical points that you can quickly have a move in your direction, so that whether you want to break even or take partial profit, you can do that. So the overlaps typically are between London and Tokyo sessions, which happens between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. and between London session and New York session, which is between the hours of 1 p.m. and 4 p.m. So these are typically the busiest times on the market. Let me share this trick I found on Tradingview with you, and this has been a game changer for my backtesting. Go to the indicators tab on Tradingview, click that and search for sessions on charts by AU Rocks. All credit to this person that created this. It's a game changer for your backtesting when it comes to the trading sessions. When you click this, it will appear on your chart. Now, when this appears on your chart, it's going to show something like this. And what this does is to highlight the different trading sessions on the chart. What I do is to go to settings, and I will change the times to what I like and change the colors to what I like. So for instance, they use UTC, I'm sure because of where the person is. I typically trade the London and the New York sessions. So I select that here, and then the style, I just change the colors to grays. I find gray looks just softer on my eyes, so I just change the colors to gray. That's it. So this just gives you those sessions that you trade. So Monday is highlighted from 8 a.m. through to 9 p.m. That will be New York close. So that just gives me this. What this does for me as a trader, and when you look at the charts this way, you can see that is where you have most of the moves. This is Euro USD. So you can carefully look at the chart just at this view to see that in the London session, there's a lot of movement. New York, there's a lot of movement. Then there's some ranging over the Asian period. There's always most movement over London and then New York. Over London and then New York. You find that always, and there's always some ranging in the Asian session. This just tells you, if you go to another pair, let's take GBP JPY for instance, you will see that on GBP JPY, let's just wait for the sessions to appear. GBP JPY, because of the yen component in there, you still see quite some significant amount of movement during the Asian session, and that's because the yen is predominantly an Asian pair. So this can influence your back testing, that if you choose a pair, whatever pair you're choosing, you look at what are the countries that trade that pair and what times they trade it, so that you can take note. You can see clearly here that in Asian session, there is some significant movement on the GBP JPY pair. And so you will time your entries around that time, or you can look through and see the times that your pair that you like to trade moves the most, so that you take your entries during that time. Taking your entries at that critical moment will do what it will do for you as a trader is that you will quickly move into profit if the trade is a correct one. And usually you can either take partial profits or be able to move your stop loss to break even, which also protects you in the long run. I hope you guys get this. So I hope you learned something from today's video. I hope it made sense. Pardon me if you're hearing any toddler voices in the background. My madam is around. So thank you for watching today's video. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. So till the next time, it's the girl who trades.